Behind me is the second volleyball tournament. We're going to document it a little bit. You're going to see some footage. Enjoy.
Now he's thinking about me every night. Oh, is it that sweet? I guess so. Say you can't sleep, baby, I know that's that me espresso. Move it up, down, left, right, oh, switch it up like Nintendo. Say you can't sleep, baby, I know that's that me espresso. I can't relate to desperation. Might give a fucks. Are on vacation. And I got this one boy, and he won't stop calling. When I look this way, I know I got him. Too bad your ex don't do it for you. Walked in and dream came true for you. Soft skin and I perfumed it for you. Yes, I know I meant to do it for you. Yes, that morning coffee brewed it for you. Yes, one touch and I brand new it for you. Now he's thinking about me every night. Oh, is it that sweet? I guess so. Say you can't sleep, baby, I know that's that me espresso. Move it up, down, left, right, oh, switch it up like Nintendo. Say you can't sleep, baby, I know that's that me espresso. Holy shit. Is it that sweet? I guess so. I'm working late, 'cause I'm a singer. Oh, we look so cute, wrapped around my finger. My twisted humor, make him laugh so often. My honeybee, come and get this pollen. So bad your ex don't do it for you. Walked in and dream came true for you. Soft skin and I perfumed it for you. Yes, I know I meant to do it for you. Yes, that morning coffee brewed it for you. Yes, one touch and I brand new it for you. Now he's thinking about me every night. Oh, is it that sweet? I guess so. Say you can't sleep, baby, I know that's that me espresso. Move it up, down, left, right, oh, switch it up like Nintendo. Say you can't sleep, baby, I know that's that me espresso. Thinking about me every night. Oh, is it that sweet? I guess so. Say you can't sleep, baby, I know that's that me espresso. Move it up, down, left, right, oh, switch it up like Nintendo. Say you can't sleep, baby, I know that's that me espresso. Is it that sweet? I guess so. That's that me espresso.
I'm good, you?
Good, thanks.
So what is your job today?
Okay, so today I am the MC for the second annual ICE Models Volleyball Competition, and it's great. The energy is amazing, the weather is so beautiful, everyone looks beautiful, and our sponsors have just been so incredibly gracious. It's an awesome day, and thank you for coming.
Yeah, thank you too. How many sponsors do you have in total?
Okay, so we've got Pura, we have Environ Skincare, we've got Ocean Freedom Sun Care brand, and then obviously our gracious food brands, which were Simple Brew and Sweet Bee, to our food sponsors as well.
Guys, when I announce the teams, please come stand in front of the wall to collect your medals and take a photo.
You have my phone.
In third place, with a lot of spirits, the Pink Panthers. Blue 42. Karen and Luke, did you guys remember to put sunlight on today?
And to our hype man, hey, if you have seen it the mostest, well done.
Well done, guys. Well done.
Well done.
Alright. And first place, who played incredibly well in this last match, Spiral.
We lost medicine.
Guys, so the winners of this year's tournament get very generous facials from Environ Skincare. To go on and stand off on today's game. We'll get it out. We do have a few individual awards. We thought we would just recognize a couple of players today. Everyone was amazing. Okay, so player of the tournament. woman and man. Man player of the match today was Lee, who wins a test shoot with Jeremy Pelser. Oh, very sandy. Very sandy camp. It's okay. Most savage service we've ever seen. Great job. Well done, Andrea. This one is super easy as well. The wonderful one and only Clay.
One with your mom.
You guys were lucky to have. We're rooting for her.
Right, draw on the cake. Frisco.
Wow.
You deserve that. Book some TDC visits, eh? Coming for the big money.
Frisco.
Get him, Frisco.
Someone came.
Wonders on TV.
And also really pleased.
Acting class is fine. Thank you. I see this coming, guys. I was waiting for you.
Well done, Luandi.
Wow, okay. Going to put some jobs.
All right. Last award, which I think is arguably one of the most important awards of today, is our Sportsmanship Award. And we would love to give that to Martin.
Martin!
You, Martin. Fabulous voucher.
You're going to spend this before you go home at the South African e-concert. Well done, Martin. Thank you.
Okay, so you know what? I'm from Environ.
Okay, so everyone. Okay, everyone look here in 3, 2, 1. And let's do a bit of a celebration. Awesome. Cool. Thanks, guys.
So this was the second tournament, right?
Absolutely. Second one, hotter one. Last year was cold.
Okay. And what about the organization? Was it great? And the sponsors?
The sponsors were amazing. It took a lot to put this on behind the scenes. Kaelene especially and Mark did a lot to pull this event together. And I think it was outstanding. The sponsors were great. The company that actually facilitates the volleyball were phenomenal. The referees and the coaches, and I think that made the difference as well. But the models and the team spirits were by far the highlight of the day. Yeah.
Right.
Absolutely.
And the purpose you guys doing this is for the model community?
Team building, just getting our models together. A lot of the models haven't met one another and they don't really know who's who. So it's nice to just bring everyone together, and they all love it so much. And I think that's really what matters for us, is the team building part of it.
Yeah, awesome. I enjoyed it. It was really great.
Awesome. Thank you for coming.
Yes. Thank you too.
Thank you.
And
See you next year, hopefully.
maybe, yes.
You're going to play.
I wanted to, but I had a choice. Do I make some content or do I play?
We're going to have to hire somebody to assist you on content
All
next
right,
time. Got to put those skills to use. Thank you,
Will do.
Chris. Thanks
Thank
for
you
having
too.
us. Okay.
Okay, then have a good
Bye.
See you next
Saturday.
time.
Bye. Bye. Okay, congratulations. You did a great job.
Thank you so much.
What's your name?
My name is Clay.
Hey, okay. You've been with ICE Models for a long time?
I've been with ICE now for it's going to be 6 years.
6 years.
6
And are you
years.
happy with them?
I mean, I haven't left for a reason, so very happy.
Amazing. And what did you win today?
So we came second, unfortunately, but honestly, I think our team had the best character, and I'm very proud of my team.
Great. Yeah, I think I have great footage of you too.
Yeah, that's amazing. That's amazing.
So thank
I
you
can't
so
wait
much.
to see it.
Enjoy, okay?
Thank you.
So wait, so you're a sponsor of ICE Models doing this tournament?
We've actually had a great day out here. It was fantastic to see how all these beautiful people come together and just enjoy the game. There's a bit of competitiveness, bit of fun, just such a great day. But what we've been doing out here is bringing hydration to them, and the big difference here is that we do it just a little bit better. And the way we do that is by doing it with no added colorants, no artificial flavoring, naturally flavored with the actual fruit, low in sugar, and we use marine salt as the electrolyte component.
Okay, what is different between marine salt and the
so
other ones?
what you'll usually find in your electrolyte drinks that you tend to get in store is that the electrolyte component is actually derived in a lab, so it's chemical based, where this one is completely natural. So in that being said, you must understand that your body actually utilizes it a lot easier than something that it has to convert.
So why do people use then not all of them, all the marine salt? Is it cheaper? Is it more expensive?
It's definitely a more expensive process.
Yeah.
It is. It does relate to a more premium product. And to be honest with you, the whole chemical side of things have been the way that all the drinks have always been made. I mean, we don't want to go into any brand names and stuff, but the usual drink out there is much easier to make in a lab. By throwing a few chemicals together, you get your taste, you get your color, and there it is. But to create something that's natural, naturally preserved, and good for you is the challenge. But we've managed to do it.
It's really good. Great. So how do you get in touch with ICE Models?
So
Did I approach you? Or?
Yeah, ICE Models actually started seeing our brand around, and I think it was a mutual partnership. Like, I think we were looking for each other in a way. So the bridges just, connected so well. And especially with the guys out here always focusing on their physique, making sure that they're taking in the good stuff. It was an easy plug-in.
Great. Awesome. So thank you. I'm going to taste it.
Enjoy it. You're going to love it.
Thank you here.
Nice to meet you.
You too. Hey.
Cheers, man.
Hi there.
Hi there.
What's your name?
I'm Thomas.
Okay, and you are promoting
Ocean Freedom. So we're a local Cape Town brand. We're selling all organic, natural mineral sunscreens. So no harmful chemicals, no harmful parabens, sulfates, none of that. All non-nano. So what you put in your skin stays at the top. So it's a topographical sunscreen, which is great. It is local as well. So if you buy from us, we're supporting a local brand, which is great. And we also, what's it called? Dermatologist certified, approved and cancer certified. Yeah, so it's great stuff, good for us, especially for the model stuff, healthy for the skin. It's all good. It's all good.
And how did you get in touch with ICE Models?
How do I get in touch with ICE Models? So I'm pretty sure it's my boss. He's friends with one of the owners. I think it's Mark. So they've got a relationship with him. So we got called out here today just asked if we could help support, especially, I mean, the moneymakers is the face, so I mean, you don't want to ruin that. So we just got asked, we can't come out support. We're obviously sponsoring. I'm pretty sure we're sponsoring, so I think we're sponsoring them. So yeah.
Hope you enjoyed it, and see you next time.